Omwebembezi w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bwa nyuma yo kuhika hacaye cyana kivubo yayakirwa mugiga Hamis Kigundu oine kampani yombekere kishayechi Minister w'ebyemizano Peter Ogwang n'abandi bebembezi ba government hamwe na Kampala.
There we go. His Excellency, he does unveil the foundation stone to mark the launch of the National Stadium.
President Yasima Kigundu ahabwa umurimo gwakozere kunogo mutano ekishemerire kuba nikikorwa buri munya-Uganda ngo ahabwa kuba bino basa barekeraho ufutamisho omu mahanga gaheru.
So the government here was inviting foreigners to come and fight for them, but for us we were building Bakadogo in Ruwero. And when the Kadogos came to the town here, we chased all the armies ran away. Amajagali wano agani ni agobote gani bona bali wano mtawuni fe abomunsko bwetwajja ne baduka. Why? Because NRA was a Ugandan product.
Kigundu government kamuha umwanya ogu okombeka hechayi cy'omurembe arokukozesa sente ze kandi President Museveni yahamya kwari kwija kweze emyaka 49 arokugukozesa kubasa kwihamu sente zatiremo.
So when Kigundu came, it was a clear idea. There is a government asset called Nakivubo. You lease it to me, I develop it using private money, and then I recover my cost through the collections and also the other businesses I will do around there in 49 years.
Kigundu yasima President ahabwa kumuhereza umugisha kubasa kutungura ihanga rye.
And Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to talk to my fellow Ugandans that this is a direct reflection of your effort and struggle. The prevailing circumstances created by the current NRM regime is the main reason as to why an ordinary Ugandan like me is able to do such a project. If other Ugandans can fall fit, for I have illustrated that it is a reality and yes, it can be done. So if others fall fit, I'm sure, Your Excellency, we shall develop this country, Uganda.
Museveni yayiruka kwihanga hatiryatandika kugira ebishayi birya ha rurengo rw'ensi yona otiremu n'ekyanambore ebere kubasa kutebekanisa empaka zitari zimwe na zimwe.
I've been assured that they meet the standards of AFCON and other international groups, so I'm very happy. So we now have Nambole, which is the government one. This one is also government, but now leased to Kigundu for 49 years. And then we are going to build one or two others in Hoima, near the international airport, which we have built there, and maybe Akibua in Lira.
Ekishayi kyekyereza emyaka 8 kiri hakunduzibwa nikije kuba nikizanirwamu emizano etari emwe n'emwe kandi nikije kuba nikishutamisa abantu abarikuhika emitwaro 2.